Hey guys, so this week we are doing something that's pretty straightforward, something that I like to do. Driveways. They're easy to reach, they're a lot of square footage. They are a bit of work, but stick around for the tear out, the prep, my favorite part, the pour. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe. We'll see you then, guys. Bye-bye.
Hey guys, Megan from J&M Concrete here. Guess who forgot the camera? That would be me. I forgot the camera. We are back from vacation, and right now we are breaking out a driveway, which we will be pouring, I think, on Thursday, but let's take a look.
All right, good morning, guys. So we're gonna be laying forms, road base, and rebar today, hopefully. We still got tomorrow to get things ready if we want to, but we removed the grass, which will pop back in after the job's done and we clean up on Friday. But so far so good, no hiccups, no surprises, pretty straightforward. See you guys at the pour, guys. Bye-bye. Para adentro, es que lo barro la... No, que la commercial projects are slow, residential is slow. I keep getting... So I usually go off of people calling me looking for work, and I've been getting... tengo una trompetita de 4 puertas de la que maneja mi vieja.
Babe. Y a dos hermanos de sangre. A los dos les gustó la troca. Mames, le dije,
Le dando casi lo triple.
te estoy robando, le dije, la neta, y por eso es de la familia, no puedo hacer. El humano no está hecho para los codazos. Está hecho para que entienda.
Somos animales muy listos. Aunque 2, 3 merecen unos buenos putazos.
Sí les hace falta una buena chinga. 2, 3 pinches lepes marcados. Yo he visto unos
Ese niño necesita agarrarlo, meterlo para allá y
pinches buen putazo.
porque no hay de otra.
En la pinche caleta y ahorita déjame en paz.
Eso es huevonada de la mamá y del papá.
Exacto, Miguel.
Yo le he dicho a ella, ser mal padre es fácil, ser buen padre es... Ah, qué bonito, qué rico cemento, cómo tiene saliendo cemento estos bebés.
A mí mi jefe nunca me puso una mano encima ni nada. Pero mi jefa de repente sí.
All right, guys, there it is. Poured at 7 in the morning. 5 slump, 4,000. A little bit of accelerant. There it is. Came out really, really good. No hiccups. Driveways tend to go pretty quickly. Customer was very happy with the outcome. We are too. Came out really, really sweet. So next week we're doing another driveway section with some curb, but that driveway is steep, which I don't like because it can be dangerous with our machine, but I think I know what I'm doing. Thanks for sticking around, guys. Don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe, and there it is, guys. Let's take one final look. You guys have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.